York City is set to vote today in its highly anticipated mayoral elections, and the race is heating up as key contenders battle for the city's future. The main candidates on the ballot are Democratic nominee Zoran Mamdani, Independent candidate Andrew Cuomo, and Republican nominee Curtis Sliwa. This election is to replace current Mayor Eric Adams, who withdrew from re-election in September 2025 but will continue serving until January 2026. And this time, voters are focusing on key issues like high cost of living, housing, affordability, public safety, and the ongoing migrant crisis. However, ahead of the vote, President Donald Trump made waves with a statement targeting Mamdani. Trump warned he would restrict federal funds to New York City if Mamdani, a Democratic Socialist, wins. Trump also urged voters to choose Andrew Cuomo over Curtis Sliwa, saying a vote for Curtis Sliwa is a vote for Mamdani. As of now, approximately 735,000 voters have already cast their ballots in the New York City mayoral race, reflecting a growing sense of enthusiasm among residents. This surge in voter turnout is particularly notable among younger voters, with a significant spike in participation during the final days of early voting. On Sunday alone, which was the last day of early voting, 151,000 ballots were cast, with more than 1 lakh voters under the age of 35 participating from Friday to Sunday, including over 45,000 on Sunday itself, according to the Times. Meanwhile, recent polling shows Zoran Mamdani, a Democratic Socialist, maintaining his lead as the frontrunner. An Atlas Intel poll from October 25 to 30 gives Mamdani 41% support, while Andrew Cuomo follows at 34% and Curtis Sliwa trails with 24%. Mamdani's lead is now at its narrowest margin since July, which is a 6.6 point edge, signaling a tightening race. Therefore, the race is tight as we see, and today New York's future is in the hands of its voters. So stay tuned as results come in.